So welcome all of you. So now my point is like is electricity. All of you can hear me clearly right now? Okay, fine.
Yes.
So in electricity, we all know current equal to, what is the formula of current? Tell me. What is the formula of current?
Q.
And what is the formula of potential difference? Safura V by R. Directly tell me, your audio is on, na? You can on your audio and tell me. Molangar into I. Okay. Other bache? All of you know current equal to charge by time. All of you know current equal to charge by time. And what is the formula for voltage potential difference? Potential difference?
V equal to IR.
Work done by charge, right? Okay. So now in last class, I was talking about resistance, right? That is Ohm's law, V equal to I into R. Now this R has come. The videos are available in the playlist. Those who have missed the session, nothing issue. This is very basic. If you still have problem, you can check the playlist, okay, on the channel. Now, what my point is today is resistance, okay? So now, resistance is dependent on, for suppose there is a conductor, wire. है ना, तार जानते हो ना, wire. So wire have some length, right? Wire have some length, okay? So as the length will increase, the resistance will increase. So I will tell that resistance is directly proportional to length. As the length will increase, right? As the length will increase, the resistance will increase. So it is directly proportional. Then resistance is inversely proportional to the cross section area. Can anyone explain why it is inversely proportional?
Sir, if the area will increase, then the resistance will decrease.
Okay, fine. So why? Why?
There will be more space for the electrons to move.
Exactly, Mansi. Because if suppose I take a wire, Dev, whose cross section area is cross section area here. What is the cross section area? All of you understand, huh? This thing, this area. If I take, suppose this one is a wire, if I cut it down from here, you can see a circle, na? This one is a circle, pi r square, okay? So this is a cross section area. This one here also see, this one is the cross section area. So as the cross section area increases, if you have to pass through it, it will pass easily. If you see a broad road, chauda road, the traffic will be less. But if the road is very like, what I can say, thin, बहुत gully, you know na, अगर ऐसा हो तो it is very difficult to pass by, because यहाँ who will pass here? Electrons. So electrons will easily pass through this. So as the area of cross section is increasing, resistance will decrease. So it is inversely proportional. This one is 1, this one is 2. You will write in exam combining 1 and 2. What we will get? We will get resistance is in directly proportional to L is in the numerator and A is in the denominator. Okay. So R is directly proportional to L by A. So if I remove the directly proportional, what will come? Equal to, right? And what the constant will come? Rho into L by A. All of you have heard this formula?
Yes,
all of you have heard this formula?
Yes.
Okay. And today, when the session will over, okay, the code will be ABC. Okay, just send me. Okay, ABC. Okay. Okay, fine. R equal to rho into L by A is the formula for resistance. Now this rho is coming to the point, and that is problem creating, right? Rho is what? It is called resistivity. Resistivity. Now we will focus on this, right? In your examination, what will be the point? In your examination, numerical will come on this. I'm directly telling you. Length will be given. Length must be in meter. If it said you in mm or centimeter, you have to convert into meter. And if you come to cross section area, cross section area is what? This one is a circle. So for suppose in the question, if it tells you the radius, so if the radius is okay, so you can find A equal to pi r square there. Okay, radius must be in meter, so you can find the A. Rho will be given then applying this formula, you can calculate the value of R. In your book also, you can solve it. Okay. So this point is okay. Now what exactly we have to, you also know this, right? So now my point is R equal to rho into L by A. This one is, just a second. This one is R and this one is rho. Can anyone tell me what is the difference? Let's talk. Anyone can tell me what is the difference between the two? Anyone can tell me what is the difference between R and rho?
So rho is a constant.
Rho is a constant. Tell. There are many guys, right? You know at least something, na? Directly tell me, na, why you are telling me in chat box? Be frank. I'm not डांट नहीं रहे. Be frank. आप क्या जानते हो? I want to know. R and rho. What is the difference between resistance and resistivity? That we have to clear right now.
Sir,
Can I
R does not change by rho does not change by dimensions.
Rho
It
doesn't change.
depends
Okay,
on
fine. Resistance change.
the
Why?
material of the.
Why, Mulang?
So
It
because
depends on the
resistivity-
material of the conductor.
Material, sir.
Okay,
so
fine.
resistivity depends on the nature of the material, while resistance can change depending on the current and potential
The
difference.
force which is varied from object, sir.
Okay, fine. Any other answer? Roshni? Fine. I got it. Oh, no issue. Okay, come to the point. So I heard all the answers. Okay, now I'm going to the basic, right? You know, right now you are studying resistance. Okay, if I ask you resistance change. Why it change? Because you can see here is a formula rho into L by A. If I change the length of L and change the cross section area of the wire, it will change, right? Because the resistance formula is this one. Also, Arjun has told me just right now, V equal to IR, right? So R equal to V by I. So if I change voltage and current, resistance will change. So definitely, Arjun, you are also okay. So resistance is going to change. But now come to resistivity. Resistivity denoted by rho. First question, what is the unit of resistivity? Can anyone tell me?
Ohm meters.
Ohm meter.
Ohm meter. So you have remembered it. Have you remembered it, or you have some like logic?
So I just remember it.
Okay, fine. See why I asked, right? See, R equal to rho into L by, you don't need to remember actually. Okay, R equal to rho into L by A. Now if you cross multiply, what will come? RA will be equal to rho into L. So rho will be equal to RA by L. Up to this, it is okay, Tanvi? It is okay?
Yes, sir.
So now, rho equal to RA by L. See, you know the unit of R is rho. Unit of R is rho. Unit of A is area. What is the unit of area? Meter square. Meter square. Divided, what is the unit of length?
Meter.
Meter. So this meter, 1 meter got cancelled. So answer will be ohm meter. If you haven't forget, you can take it out. From this formula only. No need to remember this one. You can find it now. Now next point. Why it is constant? Now, I just said you rho equal to RA by L. Just I write. Rho equal to RA by L. Just I write now. From this formula only. All of you clear? So now write rho equal to RA by L. Okay. And now consider A cross section area 1 meter square. How much? Means I'm taking area 1 meter square, and I'm taking the length. How much? 1 meter. So length is 1 meter and area of cross section 1 meter square. So my point is what? If I take resistivity equal to C R into, if I take only 1 meter square of area of cross section, sure, and length 1 meter, so R will be equal to rho will be equal to R. All of you getting this?
Yes, sir.
So you will tell that resistivity is not a new thing. Resistive is the resistance only. But for when we take area of the wire 1 meter square and the length of 1 meter. ठीक है, आप देखो, आप कोई भी लेंथ ले सकते हो. You can take any, you know, the wire can be of any length. Wire can be of any length. But when you talk about resistivity, it will talk resistance. But of how much length? Only of area 1 meter square and length 1 meter. Okay. And now you take copper wire. Okay. You take copper wire, another copper wire of the higher length. Okay. The length is different. Area of cross section is also different. Right. But you know, resistivity is the resistance, right? Resistivity is the resistance produced by only 1 meter length in 1 meter cross section area. So I'm drawing this figure for suppose. And here also in this copper wire, I have to take only 1 meter length and 1 meter cross section area. So definitely it is of any length, or it is of any length, but I have to consider for resistivity only 1 meter length and 1 meter square cross section area. So definitely resistivity will be same. Getting my point? Getting my point? Because हमें resistivity का मतलब है बस 1 meter length और 1 meter cross section से. ठीक है? And now when it will change? When I will change the metal itself, I will take, suppose I take silver. Okay? Can anyone take out the book and tell me what is the resistivity value of silver, copper? Or suppose I take silver, Ag. Okay? Its nature is something different, right? So if I take this 1 meter length and 1 meter cross section area of silver, it will be something different. But for a given metal, for copper, tell me. Bansi, tell me, what is the confusion? I know this one is the confusion. That's why I'm here. Na? Bansi, your confusion clear, or still it is? Hana, as it depends on nature of material, right? If you take copper, resistivity will be always same. Okay. Now we should come to the next point. We should move to the next point. All of you have any question? Tell me fast. Tell me. What is the question? Tell me.
No, sir.
Anyone have question?
No, sir.
Okay, fine.
सर जो आपने लिखा है resistivity equals to resistance, वो समझ नहीं आया जो लास्ट में लिखा हुआ है.
ठीक है. Resistivity is the बच्चा resistance. Only see what I had just I'm sharing. See, resistivity. No issue. We have to clear it. See, R equal to, I had put A as 1, Mansi, and length as 1. So what you will get? Rho equal to R only, na? But when
Yes,
these
sir.
two are equal, on the condition that you are taking the area 1 and length 1. If you consider area as 2 and length as 4, then rho will be different, na? It will
Yes.
become different. So rho is defined only for 1 meter length and 1 meter of cross section area. Then that resistance is called resistivity of that wire. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now go through once the recorded system. You will understand. Okay, I will upload it on YouTube. Now come to the next point. So fine, what the question come in the examination? Write the question now. See, R equal to Samarth, R equal to rho into L by A. And now how the point is like how I can obtain the marks from it. So see how the question comes in the examination. Okay. The question will tell you in the examination that there is a wire of length L and cross section area. Okay. And now it will say you that the length has become 2L. Now the length has become 2L. Okay. And the cross section area get halved. Okay. All of you get this point? This one is the original. Tell. A wire of cross section area A and length L. And now change value is area cross section. Earlier it was A, now it is A by 2. And earlier the length was L, now it become 2L. What will be the new resistance? If this resistance is R, what will be this resistance? For suppose it is R dense. This will be asked in the examination. Fine? All of you got this the question? You got the question or not?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear with the question?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now come, I'm going to explain. See, you know this formula, R equal to rho into L by A. So here area is A, length is L, R is already given. So you will write R equal to some constant is rho into L by A. This one is the original one. Okay. Now it is asking you R dash. So you will write new resistance R dash will be equal to it will be clear in the question. They are of the same material, means nature is same. So rho will be same. For this wire also, resistivity is same. Now, what is the length? What is the new length?
2L.
2L. In place of L, that's how we have to solve. Here it is L, here it is 2L. Hana, you can, if it is a subjective exam, you have to solve, right? Divided by, what is the new area?
Half of the last one.
So I can put A by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Earlier it was A, now it is A by 2. Okay, now see. Dev, you are getting my sound now? R dash, whatever I had code sent you now, that was wrong code. Okay, the code is XYZ. Okay, fine. All of you will text me not ABC XYZ. Fine. I will able to understand who has left the session. Okay, the code is XYZ, not ABC. I was like thinking who will leave the session. That's why actually I said you wrong. Okay, the code is XYZ. After session, you will send me XYZ. If anyone send me ABC, I will understand that he has left the session. Okay. Now, what is the new resistance? R dash rho into 2L. See this divide sign. See this divide sign. I can write like this, divided by A by 2. All of you agree? All of you agree?
Yes.
So now rho
Yes,
into
sir.
2L. I'm converting this divide sign as into, so it will be 2 by A. All of you know this. If I convert divide into, है ना? अगर हम
Yes, sir.
divide को,
Yes,
अगर हम
sir.
divide को into में convert करते, A by 2 will become 2 by A. All of you know this thing? नहीं है तो at least जानना चाहिए बच्चा आपको, ठीक है ना? Now come to C. See, rho, this 2 into 2 will become 4. Rho into L divided by A. It is okay? Rho, L and A is here. It is okay?
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
sir.
So what you
Yes.
come to know,
Yes, sir.
that R dash equal to 4 into rho L by A. Up to this it is okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes,
Now
sir.
next point. Now next point. ये देखो ये भूला भट्ट का बच्चा रो एल बाई ए. आपने कहीं से देखा था रो एल बाई ए?
Last
R
resistivity
equals-
थी सर ये.
The original resistance, this one. ये दिखा बच्चा रो एल बाई ए, यही था ना भूला बच्चा, है ना? रो एल बाई ए, and this value is the earlier resistance R, right? अभिषेक, ये और ये क्या हो रहा है अभिषेक? दिस वन और दिस वन? तिवारी जी बोल ही नहीं रहे. 4 into rho L by A is R. So the new resistance is 4 times the earlier resistance. This type of question comes in the examination. Okay, we have to now focus how exactly the questions come. Fine, all of you got this thing?
Yes. Sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So now try this type of question. Take out, I'm already telling you, take out the last 2-year question paper now. Okay, whenever you are studying, and then this year board questions. And after studying the point, check what the question has come and try that. If you are able to do that, you are hero. Otherwise, you are 0. Whatever you are studying, it's okay for knowledge, but you have to score also now, right now? Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Fine, guys. Fine. So just a second. So today, a chapter called variation, right? Biology session, right? Variation is about, you all know about variation. You know
Yes.
about
Sir.
Yes,
variation.
sir.
जब you know हम और हमारे फादर एक जैसे दिखते हैं, राइट ना? थोड़ा सिमिलर होते हैं, राइट? क्यों है ऐसा? Why the variation? हम अपने फादर जैसे हैं क्यों नहीं दिखते? there is some variation.
Sir, because of our genes.
हाँ, because of genes that we will study in 6:50 p.m. session. ठीक है? There you will come to know about Mendel. Okay, and then at 8:05 p.m. there is trigonometry class. I had already told you the basics of trigonometry, right? So अभी आपको उसको miss नहीं करना है. ठीक है, all of you?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? सीरियसली
sir.
अटेंड करिए. जो भी सेशन में प्रॉब्लम होगा उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिएगा इन क्लास ऑफ मैथ्स. ठीक है ना? ओके ओके तेजस्विनी. ओके ओके फाइन गाइस, यू कैन लीव. है ना? ज्वाइन योर सेशन ऑन टाइम. ओके, keep
Bye,
studying. है ना?
sir.
Be motivated and keep studying. 3 months
Bye,
is okay.
sir.
You can do very well. Okay.
कौन क्या था?
X Y Z.
ओके सर.
Y Z. ABC जिसने भेजा मैं समझ जाऊंगा. He has left us.
थैंक यू सर.
Welcome.
Thank you,
welcome.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, Samar.
Thank you,
Samar.
sir.
Welcome. Welcome.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Welcome.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, Misita. Bye, Safura. मुलान ध्यान दीजिएगा. ठीक है.